If you lost your job or you need extra income, there is one simple way. Beginners are making money with ChatGPT right now. Not trading, not coding, not complicated freelancing, services. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners use ChatGPT to create simple services and get paid step by step. Beginners make a mistake. They charge too low or overthink. Simple model. Starter package, 300 to 500 Rand. Standard package, 500 to 800 Rand. Bundle package, 1,000 Rand. You are selling time saved. Let's take a hair salon. Open ChatGPT. Type, act as a social media manager for a hair salon in South Africa. Create 30 engaging Instagram captions promoting hairstyles, tips, and specials. You now have a product. Copy into a document. Format cleanly. Export as PDF. That document can be sold. Beginners make a mistake. They charge too low or overthink. Simple model. Starter package, 300 to 500 Rand. Standard package, 500 to 800 Rand. Bundle package, 1,000 Rand. You are selling time saved. You don't wait for clients. You approach Instagram business pages, Facebook small business groups, local shops, WhatsApp business numbers. Message example. Hi! I help small businesses create ready-to-post social media content using AI. I can create 30 captions for your business in a professional format. Would you like a sample? Simple, clear, professional. Small businesses are overwhelmed. They know they should post. They don't have time. AI removes the hard part. You become the bridge between AI and business. That is where beginner money is. If you want to start with AI, don't start with tools. Start with problems businesses already have. Content is one of them. In the next videos, I'll show you how to approach clients, how to package services, how to scale this into consistent income. Subscribe if you want practical AI tutorials.